you don't have the ability in this day and age to have a substandard customer experience or a customer journey and still make sure that the customer would perceive you as being the right fit for them.
It goes well beyond the traditional measurement of saying that once our customer interacts with us, let's send a survey and measure the voice.
We want to understand his sentiments, we want to understand his tonality, we want to understand the silences, and we want to make the agent so aware about how he should interact with the customer.
We want our customers to know their customers, understand the underlying data, understand their journeys.
In the end, it is about connecting to the customer at an emotional level. And in doing so, the context is very, very important.
You can think of it in our 4 C's. So they want you to be caring. They also want that experience to be connected. They also want that experience to feel like there's some collaboration. And then the last I would say is it's about communication.
So we are still not at a point where we are suggesting companies that, hey, go complete berserk on AI and forget about the human in the loop. We are in the journey where we are assisting the human to become more intelligent.
When you talk about consumer experience needing to take advantage of technology, but also the human touch, you have to think not only are you providing the human touch, but are you really understanding the human side of the experience that consumer is going through.
And the way we start actually focusing on building that customer experience is for all of our clients, for them to start understanding exactly who their customers and their prospects are, to understand what they're looking for, to understand at what time are they looking for it, so what's the trigger, and then make sure that they have the product customizations to be able to match that need.
So that is the mantra of EXL. Leverage the data and using the data generate meaningful insights, deploy those insights and generate the value for our customers.
And the way that their millennials and Gen Z want to learn and interact is 100% different than the way their boomers and the seniors that they're supporting are. And they're looking to bring programs in place that help them be more personalized, give people the information and the support that they need when they need it, but do it in a way that's right for each of those individuals.
And the ability for us as EXL to come in to help our clients actually make that customer interaction the best possible experience, and to kind of help our customers increase their effectiveness, reduce the cost, and improve experience, I think is what kind of keeps us going.
If all of these solutions and offerings don't lead to a financial outcome, something that they can pitch on their boardroom and they can have a KPI or a metric to it, I think it will not last long. This will become a C-suite conversation only when it has matrix and it has outcomes aligned to it. And with the use of data and analytics, we can absolutely track them, and we can absolutely index the clients in terms of their journey and tell them that, whether they have moved from a maturity 1 to a maturity 4.
So our belief is that in CX, it is not the huge exponential changes that you need to make to achieve the improvement in NPS score. These small changes, incremental changes, can have exponential impact in terms of the customer experience and the value for your customers.
We believe that we'll be able to capture a big share of this market, and we're going to be one of the big players in terms of how generative AI kind of changes how customer conversations happen.